Hi, and welcome to this section of the course about the diagnosability triangle. So we talk about logging, monitoring, and tracing. So in this video, I want to briefly talk about the diagnosability triangle. I want to tell you what this triangle is all about. Well, here it is, a nice blue triangle. And the first cornerstone of the diagnosability triangle is logging. You definitely need to make sure in a distributed environment, in a cloud-native application, that you do proper, good and structured logging so it can debug and diagnose your application later on in case you have an error. The second cornerstone is good monitoring. So what you want is telemetry data. You want telemetry on technical also as business data. And you want good monitoring on this telemetry so that you can see what's going on in your distributed system, in your cloud-native applications. And the third cornerstone is tracing. In a real cloud-native application, in a cloud-native environment, you will have several microservices talking to each other. So it's important that you understand how these talk to each other and how the request flow went from one microservice to another. Well, next to the diagnosability triangle, what you sometimes hear is also the observability pentagon. And this one extends the triangle by two additional cornerstones. The next one is reporting. So if you have good logging, good monitoring, and good tracing, what you will usually have is good reporting. You want that. You want dashboards like a red or a use dashboard that give you a quick insight on your system. And the fifth cornerstone is alerting. If anything goes wrong and if the telemetry data, for example, is not that good, you have high CPU usage or anything else, then you want automated alerting so you instantly know that your system is in a bad state. Right, so enough about the observability triangle and the Pentagon.